Hello guys, good morning to all the members of MMM Global Philippines and to all the support team. By the way, my name is Randy Peña. I am one of the members of MM Global Philippines. I make this video to prove that I am the owner of this account and I'm the one who handled this account. And also I make this video for you to know that my account has been under moratorium for almost 1 month. Because someone hacked my account. It happens last July 22, 2015. And also, my problem is this participant doesn't send a Bitcoin to my GetHelp. So one of my concern also is I hope that the support will change these participants so that I can receive the amount of Bitcoin that I need in my GetHelp. And also, I make this video for you to see my Facebook account. This is my Facebook account and this is my Facebook link. And I want you also to see all my identification card that I will be put in my support message. This is my CPAIRS card. And this is my passport. This is my home development mutual fund or the Pag-ibig Fund. And this is my PhilHealth ID. Hope this video can help me to solve my problem with my moratorium status so that I can continue doing provide help and get help. And so that my account will be in a normal status again. Thank you so much, MMM, and thank you, Sir Dimo Brody, and long live MMM. God bless.